So I guess we're going to brunch today at like 10:30. I forget where, but we're going. So I'm gonna jump in the shower now. So phone, if you could be quiet. Nick, on a scale from 1 to 10, how good does it smell in here?
6.8.
Oh my god, I'm giving it like a 9. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. I just love starting the day off with a 1,000-calorie meal. Nick, 1 out of 10.
9.
Bella? I'm going a 9, solid 9 like Nick. That was delicious. I'd definitely come back here for the opportunity.
Cinnamon tried to kill me. Cinnamon tried to kill me. No challenging. Cinnamon tried to kill me. My voice.
At the flea market looking for some cool things to buy, and this is my first time and it looks actually pretty awesome. Well, hello there. I think you can buy only clothes and there's nothing else, so you can buy a massage at the flea market. This is like a camera YouTuber person's dream right here. It is so hot, it has to be like 90, 85. My god, I'm sweating to death, it's so hot. Lost me familia. Oh wait, no, I haven't. They're right here. I thought I lost me familia, but I found my me familia.
Yeah. That's what she's looking for.
Today I walked in here and said, "Cool, you're not gonna get anything. You're good. You don't have to worry about it." I walked out of here with a typewriter, so I'm gonna say a success, not a fail. Maybe. I don't know though. Probably. Yeah. Sure. It's honestly too nice not to go in the pool. Neens, where are we off to now?
We are going to Ralph's, the supermarket.
Luna? Luna, are you okay? Luna?
Why is she doing that?
Luna, are you okay? Are you sane? Nick, you wanna fix your dog?
I don't know what to do.
Forgot my camera battery, so you missed like an hour or so, but I'm back on schedule, so yeah. We're at dinner now at Errands, which is a steakhouse, so it should be good.